Does your chain lose tension, or will it not tension at all? If so, you probably need to consider replacing the clutch cover assembly. The clutch cover assembly both covers the clutch and sprocket and consists of the chain tensioning assembly. The most common issue with the clutch cover assembly is wear or damage to the chain tensioner. Over-tensioning the chain will lead to a stripped-out tensioning screw or cracked plastic where the screw mounts to the cover. If the saw is accidentally run with the brake engaged, the clutch will become extremely hot. Sometimes the plastic cover will melt if this occurs. Replacing the clutch cover is a simple repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the old clutch cover. It's held in place with the bar nuts. Now release the tension on the chain with the tensioning screw. And now I can remove the cover. Now I can install the new clutch cover. I'll place it over the bar nuts, and I'll apply a little sideward pressure to the cover while I adjust the tensioning screw. And I'll adjust this back until the tensioning pin falls into the hole on the bar. Like that. I'm going to go ahead and apply a little tension to the chain. And now I'll reinstall the bar nuts just finger tight. Now I can tension the chain. To do that, I'll grab the tip of the bar and lift the bar up as high as it'll go, and then lift the chain from the bar. I just want to grab this and pull on it like you normally would. You don't really need to pull hard. As I pull, I don't want to see any gap between the driver links on the chain and the bar. You can see here there's a small gap, so we'll tension up the chain a little bit. Test it again. Maybe just a little bit more. That looks good, so now I'll go ahead and tighten down the bar nuts.